Alright guys, I'm out here with my S2K. I haven't been able to drive it for like a week. I had to wait for new ignition coil connectors because the ones I have were pretty jacked up. They didn't have the clips, and I'll show you real quick. Like, it's fricked. It's supposed to be like this, but yeah, two of them were really jacked up, and I was having a misfire. So I'm gonna get it replaced right now. Here are the fresh ones. They already came assembled in the mail, but I had to take off the little blue thing and take out the terminals individually. If you're interested in that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do a separate video over that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and place the new ones on this one, and yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so what you do is you just slide it on, and then it should be able to pop in. So here we go, and you will hear like a little click noise. That, hold on. Alright, so they're plugged in. I didn't hear the little clicking noise, so that's odd. But they look like they're perfectly in now. Alright, so now I gotta put the little blue piece back on. There they are. They look like they fit in pretty good. Alright, so it just clicked in. You had to use a little bit of force to pop it in there. I tried to be gentle first, but I had to like really force it in there. But yeah, it's good now. Now I need to move on to the next one. This one, which is fricked up. Usually there will be like a little tab underneath the terminals, and you will have to push that away from the terminal and to release it. But this thing's like completely jacked up, so it's not necessary to do that. So yeah, I think you just have to, yeah, you just push it out. Out with the old and in with the new. Just to make sure that they're in right, I'm gonna go ahead and use a needle. You can also use some tweezers, and just force them in there and make sure they're in there correctly. Yeah, I'm about to do that right now. Alright, bet. So now I got both of them in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the ignition coils back on, and I shouldn't have the misfire anymore. Also, if you have any excessive debris like around the tubes, I'll get a towel and go ahead and clean that up, just in case you don't want extra debris following into these tubes, because that could cause some problems, even a misfire. There's a lot of trash in there. Alright, I just got the ignition coils back on, and I'm gonna go ahead and give the car a start real quick just to make sure that everything's running fine. So let me see, I don't even think I got my keys on me. I'll be back. Alright, I got the key now. The Mugen mats, no. Mugen shift knob, no. Damn, you can't really even see it, no. Oh, there, good. Alright, moment of truth. Alright, for some reason the video cut off whenever I was trying to record the startup, but it's working fine. So I'm really happy about that. It was really satisfying. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and turn it back on, see if it still runs fine. So there we go. Yeah, baby. Hell yeah. That's a satisfying feeling, because I wasn't able to ride this car for like a week and a half. I had to wait for the for the ignition coil connectors to get here because they didn't have them at the auto parts store. And then, yup, I got them now. Pretty messy. But I'm finna go hit some VTEC, so stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood real quick. Gotta put the spark plug cover back on. Unfortunately, I only have 2 bolts, but it gets the job done. This spot right here is pretty convenient when you're working on your car. Usually the bolts there, they don't go anywhere. I recently got a new pulley as well, not too long ago. It was making a ticking noise. I was afraid it was like some engine knock or loose valves, but no, it turned out to be the pulley. It doesn't make noise anymore. This car is idling way better now. Alright, I'm happy. The next thing I might have to do is the brake pedal kind of sinks in, so I might have to change the brake cylinder. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. And yeah.